What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and in today's video, we're going to be installing an MBRP exhaust here on the Ford Maverick.
The MBRP catback exhaust is a great way to bring your Maverick to life without breaking the bank. This is a mandrel bent exhaust system that exits just behind the passenger side rear wheel through a 4-inch polished tip. You do have to cut off the stock exhaust system, so make sure you have a Sawzall handy for this install. Keep the exhaust system loose to ensure a proper fit. Once happy with the placement, tighten everything down and you're good to go.
So you may notice I am now wearing something completely different, and that's because we wanted to wait a couple days to get a cold start of the Maverick with the MBRP exhaust, and let me tell you, it is cold. In fact, it's about 35-40 degrees colder than it was just a few days ago when we filmed the other clips for this video, and in fact, it also snowed. So that's why you might see that the exhaust tip is a little bit dirty, because we do get salt on the roads here in Missouri. But anyways, let's go ahead, hop in, and see how this thing sounds with a cold start. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. If you guys liked the MBRP exhaust and you wanna pick up one for your Maverick, I'll go ahead and leave a link for that in the description below. If you guys liked the video, be sure to smash that like button. If you guys wanna see more Maverick content, make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell clicked. And if you guys got a comment, drop it for us below. Thanks for watching.